you are. These uddipanas will come and manifest this prem more and more in your heart. Because prem is... How many ingredients are necessary for the prem? Do you know or not? 49 ingredients. So 49 ingredients are necessary. And then if you have 49 ingredients, then you can attain the topmost limit of the prem. What are the 49? So first you need one sthai bhav. Write it down please. First you need one sthai bhav. And then 7 guna bhavas means the secondary rasas. So this is number 8. 1 sthai bhav plus 7 guna rasas equals 8. Santa Dasa Sakya Vatsalya Madhurya. One of them will be your sthai bhav, fixed mode. Then 7 guna rasas. Hasa Adbhut Karuna Bir Bibatsa.
सब रस में आएगा तो 7 के 8 हो गया और यह 8 अशांति विकार आएगा.
Then Yasta Sakavika, 8 symptoms of ecstasy like Romancha, compassion, Vivarna, cry, manipulation. This is what? 16. Then plus 33 kinds of Sanchari Bhavs, also called Vyabhichari Bhav. Sanchari or Vyabhichari called 33. So how many in total? 33 plus 16, 49. Then the rasa is relished with all these ingredients. Try to understand this. How can you relish the rasa? How can you relish the rasa? Krishna himself, he used to relish the rasa of the devotees, giving all these conceptions. Do you understand or not? What is your calculation? Like, did you calculate? One more time. One sthai bhava. It never changes anymore after you get the sthai bhava. Definition of the sthai bhava is also that he controls all the bhavas and is fixed in his own. This is called sthai bhava. He's controlling all the other bhavas, like collecting all the other bhavas, and also fixing his own. For example, if it's Vatsalya bhav, so if fixing Vatsalya, and all the other bhavas are also stimulated by his Vatsalya rasa. It's very hard. It's easy to understand Vatsalya rasa. Vatsalya, everyone knows Vatsalya, parental love and affection. Like, for example, Krishna is feeding from Mother Jashoda's breasts, and then at that moment, Kundalata came and said, Mother Jashoda, look, your baby, baby Krishna, during the night, he was doing rasa with the gopis. Mother Jashoda, because she has Vatsalya Bhava, motherly affection, when she heard the rasa, she thought, oh, rasa means relishing, like having fun, playing, jumping, this is rasa. Vatsalya Bhava. Oh, my son Gopal, he's not more than 7 years old. 5 to 7. Generally, Mother Jashoda always sees him from 5 to 7. 5 to 7 years old. He's just dancing and singing with the gopis. What is the wrong with that? Nothing. Kundalata said, Mother Jashoda, see in his forehead some sindur, some kumkum. Sindur came from where? Kundalata is telling her, because he was doing rasa with the gopis in the night. Then the kumkum from their breasts came in his forehead. Mother Jashoda never imagined that. No, it's not a kumkum. Last night, when Krishna went to bathe in the Jamuna, the Jamuna, sometimes the sand of the Jamuna is really reddish. So Gopal is very restless. So somehow that the sand came into his forehead. It's not sindoor, it's just Jamuna's scent.
यहाँ जसोदा 500 रस में स्थिति है सबसे
She's always fixing Vatsala rasa, always. Even seeing a kumkum, she thinks, oh, this is just red sand from Jamuna.
जो व्यक्ति जिस प्रकार रस में होता है
So if you're in that ras, you only take whatever is in your ras. You cannot go further. That's it. Rupa Goswami, he also wrote a beautiful thing in the book. Which book?
उसमें लिखा है सब।
It's written.
कोट किया उन्होंने।
He quoted this verse.
प्रमाण है ना
It's an evidence.
जो जिस रस में है उसी रस में स्थायी भाव में हो
Be
जाए
fixed in the ras you
स्थायी भाव
are.
परिवर्तन
Stai Baba never changes, ever, ever.
माधुर्य रस की समझने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर जाना
To understand Madhurya Ras, you have to go a little bit higher.
उसमें चित्त के निर्मल करना पड़ता
You
है
have to clean your heart for that.
हम लोग की चित्त निर्मल होने के नाते
Because
पता तो बहुत शब्द के सुनते ही विकार हो जाता
our heart is so polluted that what speak of the Harikatha? Only the word. We already say, oh, why are you speaking this word? Why you said that word?
बोला कि नहीं
Shukadev Goswami told the word or not?
मैं एक बार जो गुरुदेव को
One time I was with Gurudev sitting in the evening.
मेरे
Listen to me.
ज्ञान को सुना
Narayan Goswami Maharaj.
कथा गुरुदेव पता नहीं क्या आप
Then Katha Gurudev was
बोले
absorbed.
देखो
And then he
ये
said,
लोग
they,
इतने क्यों होते हैं स्तन शब्द बोलने से लोग इतने
when we
क्यों
say
बिगड़ते
breast,
हैं?
why people become so angry when we say breasts? The word breasts.
लोग क्यों बिगड़ते
Why
हैं
people become angry when we say the word
क्योंकि
breasts?
जिसके चित्त
Because their mind is so polluted.
है कि
In
नहीं
so many verses about the word breast is there. True or not? Tanamanditam. Gopinam Tanamanditam means the breast.
क्योंकि चित्त जिसके
Because
चित्त
if your mind is
निर्मल होगा
pure,
उस शब्द सुनकर
even in hearing this word, your mind will never be polluted or agitated or contaminated or disturbed.
जिसके चित्त जितना
But
भी
if
कुलसित
your
होगा
heart is really polluted, even by hearing the word already your mind
बेकार है
becomes polluted or stimulated for the
यही तो
bad.
बात है
That's
उससे
what
बचना ही
happens.
बात
Shukadeva Goswami, he was Atma Brahmachari since birth, Brahmachari,
ऐसे
celibate.
ऐसे शब्द बोले ना भूतन हो
And he spoke so many words like this, and no problem.
लज्जा की भी
No shame,
लज्जा क्या कर देते हैं
nothing.
वो ढक लेती है क्या बोले
And the shame would
लज्जा
cover
भी
herself.
लज्जा को अपने के ढक लेती है और उस
Covering the shame.
उस शब्द को बोलती है
Like shame would cover itself in front of this word. But
उत्तम उत्तम
Shukadeva
जो
Goswami said, no problem.
स्थान पर पहुंच
Why?
जाते हैं
Because he's in the stage of Uttam
वो
Mahabhagavad.
क्या
Doesn't matter anything for him. Like this
सिद्धांति महाराज बोल रहे हैं
Siddhanta Maharaj
देखो,
mentions.
नित्यानंद प्रभु
Nityananda Prabhu.
हैं? शिवाजी के पत्नी
She was breastfeeding from the breast of Malini Devi, wife of Srivas, sitting on her lap.
और बैठ करके
And
मालिनी देवी
breast,
के
like,
स्तन
he
पकड़
was
के
holding her breast and sucking, like really like breastfeeding, you know, like naked. He was naked. And he was more than 30 years old. When Nityananda
और
came,
नित्यानंद की उम्र कितना था
how old was he?
वही 36 साल होगा
Like 36.
महाप्रभु से बड़े
He was older than Mahaprabhu.
हैं? आप बताओ कोई विकार है
So any kind of of agitation disturbs. Malin Dev didn't get disturbed. No one got disturbed. You tell me.
हैं? हम तो शब्द सुनते हुए
If we would hear this,
हैं? अरे ऐसे शब्द बोल दिया स्वभाव ऐसे शब्द बोलना नहीं
why say this word? They shouldn't say this word.
जो जी भाव
Why?
में अभिष्ट हो जाता
Because if we absorb in the above,
दोष नहीं है,
there's no
हैं?
fault.
आज नहीं,
Do you understand?
हैं? इसके समझने के लिए प्रयास करो
Try to understand.
उन्नत स्तर में जितने
When it
पहुंच
comes to
जाते
this
हैं,
high level,
उनके देहात्म बुद्धि नहीं रहती इसे
you
कहा
have
है,
no
क्या
bodily
कहता है?
conception. So the Gopi said,
देह बुद्धि नहीं देहात्म बुद्धि नहीं औश्चते नलिन नाभ पदार विंदम जोगेश्वरी यदि विचिंत अगाध बोधि संसार उपपदित उत्कलंबन कृष्ण तो इतना ही कहा दिया गोपियां
Krishna told the gopis,
तुम लोग मुझे प्राप्ति करने के लिए क्या करो
what will you do to attain me?
ब्रह्मा के भांति ध्यान करो
And to meditate like Lord
ध्यान
Brahma.
के द्वारा क्या
Because
होता
by
है?
meditation,
मिलन अधिक होता है
you'll be able to meet me.
है कि नहीं जिसके ध्यान पे
Because when you
देव आ
meditate
जाता
in
है,
that person, that person comes to you in the meditation.
औश्चते नलिन
He says in this
नाभ
verse.
पदार विंदम जोगेश्वरी यदि विचिंत अगाध बोधि मयि भक्ति भूतानां अमृतत्व कल्पते दक्षिण जदासिन भवदीनां मदाब श्लोक आदि बोलते
So many verses.
हैं। और गोपियां इस कथा को सुन
And the
करके
gopis hear this
क्रोधित
and they
हो
become
गया।
so angry,
और ये
furious.
श्लोक कह रहे हैं, औश्चते
And
नलिन नाभ
they say this
पदार
verse.
विंदम
Ahoshchate nalinanava padaravindam.
गोपियां कह रही हैं,
Gopis say,
अरे कृष्ण ऐसे
Krishna,
ध्यान करने के लिए हम
you are telling us to meditate, to do meditation. If we just remember, what speak of meditation? We remember your lotus feet, and we feel so much pain in our hearts. Pain. Why? Because your lotus feet is so soft, and this lotus feet so soft. What you're doing with these feet? Running behind the cows here and there. Running behind the cows. So your feet must suffer so much. We know the suffering of your feet. You don't even know how feet are suffering. Then after that, Kotila kontalam Shrimukam chate So beautiful, the mood of the gopis, so beautiful. Shilatayam korai Siddhatitina Kalilatamana Kanta Gachati. So beautiful, these verses. The gopis are saying the Gopi Gita. You're running behind the cows. Running behind the cows. The cows have their hooves. Hooves. So they can go anywhere. They don't feel pain. But you get so absorbed in just running after them. Your feet, they don't get any torn. Thinking this. Only by thinking of your feet, our heart melts. Our heart melts. It's a beautiful mood. Why I'm saying this? When the sadhaka comes to a very high stage level, he doesn't have bodily conception. And Krishna said, they are telling me to meditate. That if you meditate in me, you won't feel separated. The yogis, they are meditating. When you meditate, you have the darshan of who you're meditating upon. So you should meditate. Hearing this, the gopis, they became so angry. You need to meditate. You have to give proper instruction to different people, but you don't know to who to give different instructions. Like to whom to give instructions to. So the gopis said, this kind of instruction should give to Lord Brahma. He should meditate. By meditating in your feet, he'll be delivered from the material world and get deliverance. We don't even have a material condition of life. If you don't remember your own body and you tell that person to meditate, meditation for a person who has the smriti, remembering the bodily conception. By meditating again and again, all your anarthas will be removed. Like for Brahma meditates and gopis are saying, tell them to meditate. Tell them. This verse is gorgeous, so beautiful. Gopis are like beating Krishna with this verse. You're telling us to meditate? These verses are so beautiful. So bodily conception, Smriti. So we have now bodily conception or not? Yes, the Atma Buddhi, the Smriti. But by doing bhajan, sadhusanga, slowly, this will all go away. It won't go at once. It takes life and life after lives. If you do bhajan properly, doing bhajan stupid nonsense, not possible. Chanting holy names slowly, Mahaprabhu's mercy. Then slowly, the bodily conception will go away. Do you understand?
हम इसलिए करें
Why I'm
चैतन्य
saying that?
महाप्रभु है इतने उन्नत स्तर में
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is coming to the high level.
राधा जी की इसमें तो भाव का आस्वादन
He's trying to relish the moods of Shmita Radhika. Still, he wasn't able to relish.
है क्योंकि
Why?
है तो विषय विग्रह
He is Vishaya Vigraha, the object of the love.
है कृष्ण कौन है विषय
Who is
विग्रह
Krishna Vishaya Vigraha?
जब तक आश्रय विग्रह के आश्रय विग्रह में नहीं आ
If he is not Ashaya Vigraha, he won't be able to feel that. He's asking you said two reasons why he took Ganga and
दो
Kant.
कारण से
2 reasons.
एक स्वयं राधा जी
One is that Shrimati Radhika herself
हम लोग के एक साथ में
at the same time wanted to relish his whole body at the same time.
यदि एक
And another point,
वर्ण नहीं होती गोर वर्ण नहीं होती
if he wouldn't be golden, if he would continue in his own color, he would look at himself.
भाव में
This would be an obstacle for relishing because you think, oh, I'm Krishna. Why am I crying for Krishna if I'm
कोई
Krishna?
अपने लिए नहीं रोता
Nobody cries for themselves.
इसलिए भाव में आप सुनते हो ये कारण है
So this is one
बहुत
book.
ही सुंदर ग्रंथ है जो है
Beautiful book. If you read,
दोनों ग्रंथ अच्छी
it's
तरह
2
से
books you have to read like study. Then you'll be able to understand. One of them is
डिपार्टमेंट
the embankment of separation, and the other one, the golden volcano of the divine love. You should read these 2 books and then you can understand all that. One question, Guruji.
इसलिए आज जैसे चैतन्य
So today, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
स्वयं आस्वादन करके
he relished all that.
और जीवों की क्या की
And then he's giving drops of that to the jivas. Shachinandana Gaura Hari is so merciful, so merciful. He's giving just like sweet rice. If at ant, how much sweet rice can an ant eat? Just a little bit.
ज्यादा खाने के लिए जाए तो वो खीर में क्या हो जाएगा
If the ant tries to eat too much kheer, sweet rice, it will fall. It will fall in the kheer and like die drown.
क्या बताया
So don't eat too much.
में एक है क्या एक है आलम्बन
So
आश्रय और
Ashray and Bishai,
और विषयालंबन
Vishayalamban and Ashrayalamban.
और फिर उद्दीपन
And Udipana, the stimulations too.
चार प्रकार की
These
जो है
4 kinds of ingredients are there.
क्या क्या बताया
Which ones?
अरे पहले तो सामग्री सारी प्रकार सामग्री
So 4 kinds of ingredients mix and then you can relish the ras.
विभाव अनुभाव सात्विक
Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik and Vyabhichari. 4 kinds of ingredients are there.
एक साधारण विचार और
So there is a general conception
विशेष विचार में
and
लेने जाना पड़ेगा
specific conception. Sadharan Vichar, Vishesh Vichar.
साधारण विचार में
So the general conception is that
चार प्रकार
there are 4 kinds of ingredients.
सारी सामग्री
These 4 ingredients, they will mix on the platform of the Sai Bhav and then you can relish the ras.
सारी प्रकार क्या चार प्रकार
4
की क्या
kinds,
बताया?
which ones?
सामग्री
Ingredients.
सामग्री बताया
Ingredients. Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik and Vyabhichari.
फिर अभी फिर विभाजन करके देखो।
Now another division.
विभाग
Vibhav.
विभाग अनुभाव
Yes.
सात्विक और वैदिक
Okay, coming back. Vibhav, Anubhav, Satvik, Vyabhichari.
ये पहली कहा
So
गया
this is the first description.
फिर क्या बोलते जा रहे हैं
Then we say that
एक स्थायी भाव
there's
होगा
also Sthai Bhav
और फिर
and
सात गौण रस
एक स्थायी भाव
one
होगा
Sthai
और
Bhav
सात
will be there and 7 Guna rasas.
अष्ट सात
है। और ये आठ और
So this is then 1 plus 7 plus 8 Ashtasattva Vikaras plus 33. So the 4 kinds of ingredients, Vibhava, Anubhava, Satvik and Vyabhichari,
इसमें भी भाग करके दिखाया गया
they also have subdivisions and all.
विभाग किसको कहा जाता है
What is Vibhav?
भाग किसको कहा
What is
जाता है?
Anubhav?
कितने प्रकार के
How many kinds of Anubhav?
हैं?
13. Huh? Tera.
13 प्रकार की जो है
So it's 13 types of Anubhav.
33 प्रकार की जो
33
है
types of
वो ये क्या बोले संचारी भाव होता है।
Sanchari Bhav, or also called
क्योंकि यहाँ
Vyabhichari
पर
Bhav.
जो कहा गया था
But-
उसमें सब वो 13 प्रकार की जो अनुभाग के 13 उसमें ही समाहित हो जाता है।
13 kinds of anubhavas, they are also mixed in the Sanchari Bhavas.
सब पढ़ो तो अपनी समझ
If you
में
read the
आएगा।
Rasa Shastra, then you can understand. Otherwise, even if I tell 1,000 times, you cannot understand. Read Chaitanya Charitamrita.
तो पढ़ने की जरूरत
Maybe
नहीं
no
है।
need to read the other
पढ़ो,
book, just Chaitanya Charitamrita.
उसमें सारी से
Everything is there, all the Rasa Tattva is in there. Do you understand?
दीपन कराते हैं सब।
Udipanas also are very
दीपन ही
important.
जैसे भक्ति में डाल के
Bhaktivinoda Thakur said the Udipanas, Radha Kunda Tata.
मयूर भ्रमर मुरली ये सब छोड़ तो कहीं नहीं जाऊं ये सब
So,
छोड़ तो
Rata.
उद्दीपन हमें
So Udipanas are very important. If you don't have the Udipana, the stimulation you cannot get. The Udipanas make everything happen. He's asking Udipana. Something's external, right?
कुछ अंग जो होता है कुछ बाहर होता है बहुत
Some are
प्रकार के
external and other not.
होता है, कुछ
Also
नहीं।
internal also. Both. Internal and external.
और भी आपको गंभीर में
You need to go deep more to understand more. The deeper you go in the ocean, the deeper you dive in the ocean, and the deeper you dive in the ocean, the best jewels you'll get from the ocean. Do you understand?
नारायण रत्न में जाना पड़ेगा ना
You have to go to the jewels of the heart, right? Hridaya Ratna.
जो जितने परिमाण
So the more you dive deep,
नीचे जाना
deep,
समुद्र की नीचे क्या
then what is in the bottom of the ocean? Many kinds of pearls and gems. Then you get that.
उसी प्रकार ये
So the
भाव
same
जो
way,
है, और
you have to dive deep in the bhav, Parakash, the top limit. That's what Mahaprabhu, in the Rupa Shiksha Sanatana Shiksha, is saying this.
महाप्रभु नहीं आते
If Mahaprabhu wouldn't be here, who would tell these kathas, this Ras Tattva? Who explained all that? Mahaprabhu, he told to Rupa Goswami or also Sanatana Goswami.
साइंस सुन रहे हैं
Sometimes he also told,
कई रायरमन से सुन रहे हैं
oh, he heard from Radha Mananda,
बात के सुना रहे हैं
or he's telling to Rupa Goswami or telling to Sanatana Goswami.
देखो
See,
इसलिए कहते हैं, चैतन्य
that's why
महाप्रभु नहीं
if
आते।
Mahaprabhu wouldn't have come to this world, all this topmost limit of the ras, who would tell in this world?
यदि गौरंग
Jadi Gauranga nahi to,
कभी की हुई तो केवल हरि धाम दे राधार महिमा केवल सीमा जगत के जाना है जगत के जाना यदि चैतन्य महाप्रभु
if Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would not have come in this world,
तो रस विचार
all these rasa vicharas, who would tell us this? Who would describe all that? Who?
यदि चैतन्य महाप्रभु
If
से बात के
Mahaprabhu
साथ ये सब कथा आलोचना
would not have discussed this katha with Rupa Goswami, Rupa Shiksha, Sanatana Shiksha, Rai Ramananda Sambad,
ये समस्त के सब
all this
अस्त्र मुझ पर
is like jewels there.
ये समस्त कहते जा रहे हैं प्राकृतिक जो कैसे कैसे हो जाए
Topmost limit.
महापुरुष स्वयं उसका असर है
Mahaprabhu himself furnished
ये तक
that.
भी महापुरुष के पहले किसी ने मंजरी भावों के
Before Mahaprabhu came in this world, nobody discussed Manjari Bhav. Of course, this is eternal, Manjari Bhav is eternal, but nobody had manifested this in this world. Mahaprabhu made that manifest in this world. Mahaprabhu told, I was sitting on the banks and then I saw the meeting of Radha and Krishna. He was absorbed in the Bhav. And then he told Swarupa Damodara Ramananda, oh, today I went to the Radha Kunda. It's like this from Chaitanya Charitamrita. I was sitting on the banks of the Radha Kunda. Where? On the banks of the Radha Kunda. Who was sitting? Mahaprabhu means Shrimati Radha. Mahaprabhu is absorbed in the mood of Shrimati Radha, saying, I was sitting on the banks of the Radha Kunda and I saw Krishna meeting with the gopis. So all these bhavs are being described. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, if he would not have come, who would manifest all these bhavs? And Mahaprabhu, he, through Rupa Goswami, is that Mahaprabhu manifested all this in this world.
स्वयं नहीं करके किसके
He
द्वारा
didn't do it
कराया?
himself. He did it through
अपने
Rupa
बोलने से
Goswami.
जितना आनंद होता है दूसरे के द्वारा
You feel more
बोलने,
happiness when you say something through someone else than when you say it yourself. For example, when the Guru gives all the potency in the heart of the disciple,
और स्वयं गुरु
and
के
then
भक्त के सामने
when
जब बोलते
there's an
हैं,
assembly
क्या करते हैं?
and the devotee speaks whatever the Guru taught him, the disciple speaks, and then the Guru feels so much happiness. If the disciple
मैं ही
thinks,
अपने सब कुछ कर रहा
no,
हूँ।
I am doing everything, after some time, Maya will pull that person down
नीचे कहाँ पर चले जाएंगे?
and you go very, very low.
आज
Do you understand?
दूसरे कारण है
That's why
रूप गोस्वामी पाद के हृदय में
Rupa
हृदय में
Goswami,
क्या थी? सत्य संचार।
he got this special Shakti, potency of Mahaprabhu. In the heart of Radhamananda also was Mahaprabhu that gave the potency. Then that's why he spoke all that Radhamananda Sambhava.
रामानंद जो कुछ भी बोल
Whatever
रहे हैं, वो
Radhamananda spoke, he got from
चैतन्य महाप्रभु।
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
राय रे भक्ता करी राय रमंदिर के द्वारा ही वो
So through Raya Ramananda, Mahaprabhu spoke all that through Raya Ramananda. So that's the topmost.
राय रमंदिर के उन्होंने क्या कि सारे शक्ति संजय सब कुछ कर दिया। यही तो है गुरु और शिष्य में
Guru and disciple, they have this speciality in between them. The bona fide Guru and the bona fide disciple, they have this
गुरु शिष्य
thing.
के हृदय में
So the bona fide Guru will give all the Shakti and the potency of the bona fide disciple.
उदाहरण
The example is given just like,
पहली श्लोक
the first verse of Radhamananda Sambhava.
क्या श्लोक बोले
What is the verse?
संचार जो है राय रमंदिर रूपी
Raya Ramananda is compared to a cloud.
चैतन्य
And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is compared to the,
सारे शक्ति का संचार
he's giving the Shakti.
कर करके उनके हृदय में प्रकाशित कर
He's manifesting his heart and giving.
तो इसी प्रकार जो है
So in this way,
और दूसरी क्या है? उद्दीपन कराते
second, Uddipana also, the stimulation. Uddipana is also very important.
हैं। और उत्तम जो भागवत
The
होते हैं,
Uttam Uttam
जो भी
Mahabhagavad,
वस्तु देखते हैं,
wherever
उसको
he
क्या करते
sees, for him is a
हैं? उद्दीपन आते हैं।
stimulation.
जंगम देखे,
He doesn't see
नासिका
anything
मूर्ति,
material.
जहाँ जहाँ
Wherever he
नेत्र
looks,
पड़े,
he only
इष्ट
sees
देव स्फूर्ति।
Spurti for his Ishtadev. He sees a forest, he thinks this is a Vrindavan. Any river, this is Jamuna.
प्रेमी
Always absorbed in divine love, in ecstasy.
उद्दीपन भी इसकी से विशिष्ट
So Uddipana also very, very important.
है।
Do you understand?
अच्छा सुंदर एक रमणी को देखा
He sees a beautiful
देख
woman,
करके उत्तम
and then
क्या
Uttam
होगा?
Bhagavata will think now the gopis immediately.
गोपियों की
He'll think immediately of the gopis.
है?
The gopis.
कोई एक पूर्व
And if he sees an ugly woman, very ugly woman, he'll think of Putana straight away too. He'll think of Putana. How Krishna killed Putana.
क्योंकि ये लीला शक्ति सब कुछ करा दे
Lila Shakti makes everything happen.
बढ़ नहीं कर
Without Uddipana, nothing.
विवाह उन्वाद सात्विक वैभव।
Vibhavana, Bhasatik, Vyabhichari, Alamban, and Udipan.
आलम्बन दो प्रकार है
Two kinds of Alamban. Ashray Alamban and Vishai Alamban.
इसमें बुद्धिपन जो है साधक के लिए बुद्धिपन जो है
For the sadhaka, Uddipana is very important and necessary.
जैसे गिरिराज एक
For example,
पर्वत को देखा
you see a mountain,
पर्वत को देख करके क्या होता है
and then you
जहाँ सही लो देखे तहाँ
see a mountain and think of
पर्वत को देख के क्या होता है
Think of
गिरिराज
Giriraj Govardhan.
संतायोदरी अवला हरिदास वर्जन जद राम कृष्ण चरण सरस प्रमोद मानन तनति सह गोपगणे पानीय सुजवस कंदर कंद मूल। दूसरी बात है, ये चैतन्य महापुरुष जो गंभीरा में रह रहे हैं।
when Mahaprabhu was staying in Gambhira. Every day. He would come out of the Gambhira and he would meet Gadadhar Pandit.
राधर पंडित जो है
Gadadhar Pandit, he was staying at Tota Gopinath.
छोटा गोपीनाथ में रहते हैं। आज एक दिन चैतन्य महापुरुष
One day, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was coming,
और वो जमशट के पार करके जब उधर
when he crossed the Jameshwara, Tota, he saw the Chatak Parvat, the dune of sand. And seeing that dune, Mahaprabhu became so absorbed in Bhav.
चटक पर्वत क्या था? वो
He
है
saw the
क्या?
dune. What was that Chatak Parvat?
बालू के जो
It was
है
a dune of sand.
अब उसको देख करके
Seeing that, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu thought, this is Giriraj Govardhan. See, just see.
और महाप्रभु से देखकर के मुझे जो है
And then
अधिकार नहीं।
he start praising that John of Sand thing is Giriraj.
इसे कहते हैं जहाँ नेत्र
So
पड़े,
wherever he
जिसके
looks, he only has visions of his worshipful deity. In his mouth forest, this is Vrindavan. Any river, this is Jamuna.
महाप्रेमे हंसी जाएगा। चैतन्य महाप्रभु से
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu
श्लोक बोलते जाए।
and speaking many verses.
अंताय उद्री अबला हरिदास वर्ज जद राम कृष्ण चरण स्पर्श प्रमद मानव तनति गोप गणी मानिय सुजवस। इतना सुंदर
So beautiful.
गोवर्धन से
Giriraj Govardhan.
गोवर्धन नहीं है किंतु वो है क्या चीज?
It was not actually Giriraj. It was a dune of sand.
ढेर बड़ा।
Dune of sand.
और वहीं पर वृक्ष आदि के देख के महाप्रभु
Seeing the trees, he thought, this is Vrindavan.
ये उद्दीपन
Absorbed in love.
जो जितने उन्नत
So Deepan
रस के
makes everything happen. The higher is a
और
devotee,
जो कुछ भी देखते हैं उसमें
whatever he sees, he feels Deepan.
उद्दीपन बाहर से देखते
Oh, Deepan is yeah, something you see outside.
पर्वत को देखते
For example, see a mountain.
जमुना के अपने रिवार को देखते
He sees a river, thinks it's
देख
Jamuna.
करके क्या होता है? और इससे हम लोग कहते हैं केवल ऐसे नहीं है जोग माया
Not
भी-
only that,
जोग
also
माया
Jogamaya
भी बहुत
also
होता है,
arranges.
तो
If you say,
और विचार आ
oh, this is a material conception then.
बोले नहीं, जोग
No.
माया साक्षात
Jogamaya
जो है,
really
वह
manifests
प्रकट
Giriraj
ही
there.
प्रकट करती है। हमारे दृष्टि से हम क्या
From
देख रहे
our
हैं?
point of
ये
view,
बालू-
you'll think, oh, it's just a
बालू के
dune of
ढेर
sand, dune of sand.
है, चटक पर्वत।
Chatak
किंतु
Parvat.
देखो उन्नत जो
But
महाभागवत
when
जो
the
होते
Uttama
हैं,
Mahabhagavad,
जोग माया
Jogamaya really arranges for him that Giriraj Govardhan really manifests there.
है,
It's true.
यही करेगा। कर्तुम अपर्तुम अनथा कर्तुम जस समर्थ है। नहीं तो मायावाद दोष आ जाएंगे।
Otherwise, this will be Mayavada
वो
dosh.
वस्तु सत्य नहीं है, वो
The
बालू का
fault
ढेर
of being
था।
Mayavad.
अब उसका
Oh, it's not
गिरिराज गोवर्धन कैसे
something which is not
बोले
like a dune of
उसके
sand
लिए
thinking it's
उत्तर
Giriraj.
कर रहे हैं, नहीं
But that's why, to refute that, it said that actually Jogamaya really manifests the down there.
समझ में आ रही
Do you understand?
स्वयं जोगमाया क्या करते हैं, वहीं पर जोगमाया की प्रकट कर देते हैं।
She manifests the
वहीं पर सब
Jamuna.
कुछ प्रकट कर देते
Everything she manifests there.
हैं। इसलिए भक्ति हम लोग गए थे ना वहीं पर भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती प्रभुपाद राधा कुंड साहब
So that place we went, the temple of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, it's the Radha Kunda, Shama Kunda, Giriraj Govardhan.
ये तो पत्थर है,
From our point of view, you can say it's just many rocks on top of each other.
ठीक है तुम्हारे दृष्टि से
Yeah, from your point of view, it's like rocks.
गिरिराज
But it's actually Giriraj Govardhan directly.
भगवान कहीं भी प्रकट हो सकते हैं।
Bhagavan can manifest anywhere. What is the problem?
भगवान कहीं भी
God
प्रकट
can
हो
manifest anywhere.
सकते हैं। हम अपने शब्द को प्रकट कर दें।
The Dam can manifest with Jogamaya. Everything is
इसलिए
possible.
कहा जाता है कर्तुम अकर्तुम अनथा कर्तुम ज समर्थ स भगवान
Bhagavan makes the impossible impossible, the impossible possible. Do you understand?
इतना सुंदर जो भाव
Beautiful bow he manifests.
वृंदावन बिहारी आज इतना सुंदर सुंदर भाव
Beautiful, beautiful bow.
महाप्रभु रघुनाथ दास उसमें क्या दिया
What did Mahaprabhu give Raghunath Das Goswami?
अरे अपने जो है
His
शरीर
own
जो है
Giriraj Shila that he used to serve.
संकरान्न नाम से कोई एक
Some sannyas called Shankaranya Mayavad gave to Mahaprabhu Giriraj Shila,
गिरिराज शिवा
the stone of Giriraj.
दिया और महाप्रभु उसको सेवा
Later on, so Mahaprabhu was serving this like Shila, and with his own tears, Mahaprabhu would serve this date of Giriraj. The Shila, so humbly Mahaprabhu would serve the Giriraj Shila.
और वही शिला को महाप्रभु ने क्या
Then
दी
Mahaprabhu gave the Shila to Raghunath Das Goswami,
है और साथ ही साथ गुंजामाला दी
and also Gunjamala too.
वो जो शिला जो उसके गिरिराज गोवर्धन शिला
So he gave Giriraj Shila, which is Krishna,
गुंजामाला
and also gave Gunjamala. What is a Gunjamala?
राधा
Radharani.
ऐसे गुंजामाला को भी राधा रानी हो सकता है
Can a Gunjamala be Radharani? Tell me.
किंतु भाव ही दिखा रहे
But in the Bhava, it's shown like that.
गिरिराज गिरिराज शिला दिया तारे कोई लोग कृष्ण और गुंजामाला दिया कोई लोग
So
तारे
it says that he gave the Shila, which is Krishna, and Gunjamala Radharani.
राधा कृष्ण की सेवा
So he gave the service of Radha and Krishna to Das
अच्छा
Goswami.
यहाँ पर से गुंजामाला
So
गुंजामाला देखकर क्या
Gunjamala,
क्या
if you say Gunjamala, which Udipan would you have?
पढ़ लेना ग्रंथ।
You can read in the books.
गुंजामाला देखे गुंजा
If you see a gunjamala, you know how's a gunja, fruit gunja, berry gunja, how it is?
लाल
लाल है
It's
और
red,
उसके बीच
and in the
में
middle there is a
काले होते हैं।
काला
black spot.
आज बड़े
Do you
वृंदावन
understand?
में आएगा।
लाल
Bala Vrindavan Bihari Lal.
इतना समझ जाओ बस।
Those who understand, understand. That's it.
राधा जी के इतने उद्दीपन
So these are Deepanas of Srimati Radhika.
हैं, समझ में आया कुछ?
Do you understand anything? No.
गुंजामाला की राधा जी के स्वरूप में-
Gunjamala is the Swarupa of
अच्छा,
Radharani.
गिरिराज जो है शिला के गिरिराज में कृष्ण
So the
माला।
Giriraj is like Krishna
गुंजामाला
king.
कैसे हो गया?
How Gunjamala is
गुंजामाला
Radharani?
राधा जी कैसे हो गया?
How?
इसके लिए भी वर्णन करते जा रहे हैं।
Then there's a description about that.
ये समझते भाव की पराकाष्ठा।
Oh, this is the topmost limit of the bhav.
इसलिए गौर लीला और
Gaura Leela
Krishna
and
Leela
Krishna Leela,
एक ही साथ में
they are happening at the same time.
ऐसा उस दिन मैंने एक श्लोक बताया था।
The other day I spoke about a verse.
अरे जी चैतन्य महाप्रभु जब संन्यास लेकर के जब जा
When
रहे हैं,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took sannyas
नवद्वीप
and he was
धाम से
going
जब
out
संन्यास लेकर
from
के
Navadvip,
जगन्नाथपुरी की ओर जा रहे हैं।
he was going to Puri.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु
After
संन्यास
taking
लिया।
sannyas, he took sannyas.
संन्यास लेने के उपरांत चैतन्य
After taking
महाप्रभु
sannyas,
जब
Mahaprabhu
वृंदावन को चलने-
was
चलने
going to
लगे,
Vrindavan.
तब नित्यानंद उनके वापिस लेकर
And on
गए।
the way, Nityananda actually turned his back, like turned him back to the house of Advaita Acharya.
आचार्य जी के घर में जब
And then when he came to Advaita Acharya Shantipur,
अब सारे नवद्वीप वासी
all the Navadvipa Vasis, they came to Shantipur to see Mahaprabhu, even Shacharata also came.
विष्णुप्रिया देवी
Only Vishnupriya didn't
और
come.
सारी पूजे और विष्णुप्रिया की देवी चैतन्य महाप्रभु है, अपने धर्म भी दे दिए।
But Mahaprabhu gave his wooden sandals to her, sent to her.
इसी, शास्त्र में लिखा है,
So
चैतन्य
Shastra describes also that
अपने जो
Mahaprabhu
हाथ
also
में जो
gave
है, सेवित जो विग्रह जो है वो उनको दे
a
दिया।
deity that also he served and gave to her.
आज उसने सेवा अधिकार
And then she started serving that deity.
चैतन्य महाप्रभु जगन्नाथपुरी अभी चैतन्य
Okay, so now
संन्यास
Mahaprabhu
लेकर के
took sannyas,
इतने भाव में उन्मत्त होकर के जा रहे हैं। कहाँ
absorbs
जा रहे हैं?
Bhav, absorbs going to Puri.
तो चैतन्य महाप्रभु के ऐसे सुंदर दिव्य ये चैतन्य महाप्रभु की लीला जो है
So Mahaprabhu is doing this pastime.
और ऊपर में क्या करें
And on the top,
नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन
in
में
Nitya Goloka Vrindavana, the Sakis are singing this pastime.
है? नरहरि सरकार
Narahari Sarkar, he wrote a verse about this.
है? ये सखियों देखो
Look, my Saki,
है हमारे प्राण कांत गोविंद
our
कैसे
beloved Govinda,
संन्यास लेकर
he
के
took sannyas
आराधे हाथे करके कैसे
and
तड़पते
he's absorbed, calling out Harade, Hare Krishna.
तब उस समय कोई
Then
सखी
at that
कहने
time,
लगा,
one Saki said,
ये संगत थोड़ी होता है
he
कृष्ण को
didn't take
संन्यास
sannyas.
ले सकता है
You think Krishna would be able to take
है?
sannyas?
उसमें कह रहे हैं ये तो कामी पुरुष है
He's a lusty man.
कामी पुरुष कभी संन्यास
Lusty
नहीं
man
ले
can never take sannyas.
सकता है। कामी पुरुष तो खरा हर शब्द अर्थ है कि नहीं तो गोपियां कह रही ये कैसे
The gopis
संन्यास
are saying, how would they take sannyas?
कह रहे नहीं ये संन्यास
Not possible. No. Of course he's not sannyas. He's
बोले
not a
देखो अरुण
sannyasi.
वसन
Look, this
पहनी
saffron
हुई है।
cloth.
कौन सा वसन
Aruna Vasan, the saffron cloth.
है? सन्यासी के वस्त्र कैसे होता है
This,
अरुण वसन
they were saffron
बोले
cloth.
अरुण वसन पहने हुए हैं इस-
Oh, he's using saffron cloth?
बोले अरे सखी,
We're
ये सब
seeing.
बात छोड़ दो बेकार
No,
है।
this is useless. This is not true. This is
दुष्ट व्यक्ति जो है ये सब ना जाने क्या क्या करता है
like the evil, like wicked people. They do many things like this, but it's not true. It's not possible to be saffron cloth. You know what is this saffron?
बोले कहानी देखो
This is
हम लोग
actually
रासस्थली
in
में
the Rasa Leela.
हैं? कृष्ण विरह में
We're feeling separation from Krishna.
जब हम तड़पते रहे
And we are
हम लोग
suffering
के
so much
आंखों
and
से
crying
आंसू की
so
धाराएं
much.
कितने पड़ रही हैं।
We cried so
हम लोग
much.
के वक्षस्थल
And then our chests
संपूर्ण रूप से जो है
were completely
भीग गया था।
wet,
और हम लोग के
drenched.
वक्षस्थल के कुमकुम के
In that kumkum of our breasts,
कुमकुम के द्वारा वो हमारे क्या बोले वस्त्र क्या हो
our
गया
clothes also were completely
रंजित हो गया था।
like stained with that kumkum color. And then we just left that cloth there.
हैं? और वो क्या करे वही
And now
वस्त्र
he took
लेकर
that
के
cloth
सारे-
and then he's covering himself with that cloth and thinking I'm a sannyas.
सन्यासी ऐसे-
Sannyas is not like this.
ये नहीं है
No,
तो
he's
जो
not.
वो देखो कैसे रो रहे हैं।
But see how
अरे
he's
अरे
crying.
कपट व्यक्ति के रोना ही वो
No,
कपट
a
था।
cheater can, like a hypocrite can pretend to cry. No one, he's not really crying. He's
वो
pretending,
तो केवल क्या कर रहे हैं दिखा रहे हैं
just pretending.
ये सन्यासी नहीं है
He's not a sannyasi actually.
अच्छा बताओ सन्यासी को स्त्री को नाम देते?
Sannyasi would never take the name of a woman.
सन्यासी कभी स्त्रियों
A
के
sannyasi would never ever take the name of a woman.
और ये क्या कर रहे हैं?
And what is he doing?
ठीक है।
Taking the name of a
हरे
woman.
कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम हैं? हरे शब्द क्या होता है? राधा
Radhe.
हैं?
Hare means Radha.
स्त्रियों की दर्शन तो बहुत क्या उनके
A sannyasi would never even see a woman, never even take the name of a woman. Never. But what is he doing? Loudly taking her name. Name of a woman.
हम कहने की
He's not a sannyasi,
एक ही
no.
तरफ जो गौर लीला और एक ही
What I'm
तरफ
trying to say is, in one side there's Gaura Lila and Krishna Lila happening at the same time.
इसलिए कहते हैं अद्यावधि सही लीला
That's why it said these pastimes are still taking place. Those who are really fortunate, they are able to see these pastimes of Gauranga.
अभी ग्रहण लगने वाला है ना
I think now the eclipse will start. Not yet?
38 पर लगी अरे जो पंजिका में लिखा है तो किसने
What's that?
पाँच
What's that?
लिखा है क्या पंजिका
5:38. From 5:38. It's in the Panjika, in the calendar.
539 लिखा है
From 5:39, it says it'll start the eclipse.
क्या लिखा है
What's mentioned in the calendar, please? The Panjika?
अभी 3:20 है
Now it's 5:25 about.
Finishes at 6:45. Finishes at 6:45.
समाप्त तो किस में होगा
What time we finish? What time finished? No, no, no.
ये 3:20 से लग गया और वो पंजिका में क्या लिखा है मेरा पंजिका लिया
Bring my calendar here, please.
कहाँ पर लिखा है
So my calendar, my Panjika, my Vaishnava calendar, please.
आप तो यहाँ पर कलकत्ता में बैठे हुए हैं
We are like in Calcutta here.
अरे देखो
I saw.
अभी आ रहा हूँ
Gurudev just said that he's Vishnu Vigraha Mahaprabhu, so he is not able to relish exactly. Gurudev said yes. He took the mood and the complexion. He could not relish completely the moods of Shrimad Radhika, no, because he's still Vishnu Vigraha, he's Krishna. I put here.
व्यास चंद्र ग्रहण भारतवर्ष में प्रस्तुत है कलकत्ता ग्रहण वर्ष अपराह्न
Afternoon from 5:39.
ग्रहण वर्ष लिखा है ना
The eclipse
कलकत्ता में लिखा है
in Calcutta.
आप दिल्ली में थोड़ी हो कहाँ पर
You're
है
not in Delhi, you're in Calcutta, so we have to check the Calcutta. Here, the nearest station is Calcutta. So in Navadvip, we're so close to Calcutta, so we have to check the calendar from the Calcutta. Calcutta.
कलकत्ता
So there's a lunar eclipse here in India today.
वर्ष अपराह्न
So the eclipse from 5.
45 मिनट और ग्रहण मोक्ष रात्रि
5:39 until
48
until
ग्रहण की स्थिति
until 6:48.
अरे वो होता हमें उससे हमें क्या लेना प्रसिद्धि के वास्ते दर्शन रात चंद्र दर्शन
Is it visible?